Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix work with apps not working in ChatGPT on PC or desktop. So if ChatGPT isn't working with your apps, the feature may be turned off, the app you are trying to use is not supported, or ChatGPT may need permission before it can work with that app. In most cases, checking this feature settings can solve this issue many times. So to fix it, first open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose setting. Now in the ChatGPT settings page, scroll a bit and in work with apps section, as you can see, I have turned off the toggle right to enable work with apps. That's why it's not working. So first enable the toggle and then go to manage apps. Now here make sure the app you want to work with ChatGPT is listed here and make sure you have enabled that app via accessibility. In most cases, these settings fix the issue. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.